4.32.
Good afternoon, and welcome to today's edition of Get Ready, Cook. And a big round of applause for today's contestants, Jack and Liz. Hello, Jack. So, do you like cooking?
I love it. I cook dinner every evening at home.
How about you, Liz?
Yes, I'm the cook in my family too. I cook every day, of course, but what I really like is cooking for friends on the weekend.
Okay, so you know the rules. In the bag there are 6 ingredients, just 6 ingredients. You have an hour to make 3 dishes, an appetizer, a main course, and a dessert. Apart from the ingredients in the bag, you can also use basic ingredients like pasta, rice, eggs, sugar, salt, pepper, and so on. Okay, are you ready? Let's open the bag. And today's ingredients are a chicken, some carrots, some onions, 3 oranges, some cream cheese, and some dark chocolate. Okay, Jack and Liz, you have 5 minutes to decide what to make, and then it's get ready, cook.